So our drawing represents the 21st century learner. So this we have shown here one learner which represents all the learners. It encompasses the learners in the 21st century, including integrating the use of technology, integrating collaboration, and anything that describes about 21st century. What I feel about the drawing is that it surprised me because it was also very nice and pleasant and really representing 21st century learners. So since we're choosing 21st century learners, so the characteristics mostly of 21st century learners are they are critical thinkers. They are technology driven, or should I say technically they're using technology in terms of learning. And another is they also are good in analytical thinking, encouraging collaboration inside the classroom. They are also doing teamwork. So these are the common characteristics of 21st century learners surfaced. So in the 21st century, learners must learn to cooperate with their peers because it is how they assess themselves, it is how they could learn. Since teachers were facilitators of their learning, they could learn from others as well. Also with technology, because since 21st century is also integrating the use of technology, students should also use technology as well, especially when they are doing their projects, doing their activities. They are also assessed through technology. Another is how can these skills be developed by the teachers or the learners. So when we talk about the teachers, let's talk about the roles of the teachers in developing the skills of 21st century learners. Since teachers are facilitating the learners' learning, they are to assess the learners, and they also encourage collaboration. They are also integrating the use of technology. They are teaching their students to be critical thinkers. They assign some tasks or activities which will enhance their critical thinking skills. Another is they will also design instructional materials in which students could get engaged in learning. So right now, to assess ourselves in relation to these expectations, we're expecting that in the 21st century, we are integrating the use of technology. So in assessing ourselves right now, in relation to these expectations, as we all know, we are all expecting 21st, utilizing the use of technology in the 21st century and being modern. And also, 21st century learning is also about collaboration of learners. So in assessing, right now we are having subjects such as this facilitating learner center, teaching, the use of ICT, as well as this teaching profession and anything. So in assessing ourselves, we are learning what does it mean to be a 21st century learners? What does it mean to be a 21st century teacher? So when you say about being a 21st century teacher, the role of the teacher is being a facilitator, while the learners are responsible of their own learning, in which they are just learning by themselves or through their peers. They are no longer passive, but rather they are already active in learning. What insights have gained from this session? So the insights that I have gained, so basing from the drawing, which shows about the 21st century learners, are representative of a whole 21st century learner. I have gained that 21st century learning equips students with the necessary skills and knowledge that they will be using or utilizing in the 21st century. So such as being a critical thinker. So they can solve problems easily by just giving them problem-solving activities or any effort to results have to be continually growing and learning. So they are also, aside from that, 21st century learning is all about integrating the use of technology in any classroom pedagogy.